Want to turn tiny homes into big profits? In this video, we will show you how flipping tiny houses can become a smart, high-return investment. From buying to renovating and selling, this strategy works even on a small budget. Like this video and subscribe if you want real estate tips that deliver results. Let us break down how to flip tiny homes for serious income. 1. Research local market demand. Study the housing trends in your area before buying any tiny home properties for investment. Check rental prices and resale values of similar small houses within your preferred neighborhoods. High-demand areas with college students or working professionals are ideal for tiny home investments. Look for properties near public transport, schools, shopping, and major roads to increase desirability. Understand what type of tiny homes are popular, such as modern, rustic, minimalist, or container styles. Attend property auctions, meet real estate agents, and talk to locals for insights into regional demand. Evaluate which locations are appreciating faster and where competition is still low but promising. 2. Buy below market value. Always look for undervalued tiny homes that need upgrades but have strong resale potential after work. Distressed properties or foreclosures are often available for less and offer better return margins. Use property listing platforms and build relationships with wholesalers for early deal access. Be prepared to negotiate with sellers who need fast cash and are open to lower purchase offers. Include all repairs and material upgrades in your budget to know if your investment is worthwhile. Get a licensed home inspector to review property condition and estimate renovation costs accurately. Seek properties where location is desirable but price is reduced due to cosmetic or minor issues. 3. Plan a realistic renovation budget. Create a detailed renovation plan that includes all labor, materials, permits, and contingency funds. Overestimate your renovation costs slightly so you are never caught off guard by unexpected delays. Prioritize improvements that increase resale value, like kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, and insulation. Avoid luxury upgrades that do not align with tiny home buyers who prefer affordability and function. Hire experienced contractors who have worked with tiny homes and know how to maximize small spaces. Track your expenses daily to stay on budget and catch any overspending before it affects your profit. Set aside 10% of the total budget for emergencies or last-minute upgrade opportunities. 4. Focus on space optimization. Tiny home buyers want functionality, so design must include smart storage, foldable items, and openness. Install built-in drawers under stairs, beds with compartments, and shelves into empty wall areas. Use multi-purpose furniture like tables that convert into beds or desks to save interior space. Open floor plans with fewer walls make tiny homes appear bigger and more breathable to visitors. Use mirrors and light color palettes to enhance natural light and give a sense of larger dimensions. Avoid bulky furniture or unnecessary decor that may make the home feel cramped or impractical. 5. Choose profitable design themes. Select a design theme that appeals to modern buyers but also complements the local market culture. Rustic cabins may appeal to country regions, while minimal modern styles suit urban and younger buyers. Use neutral colors, wood accents, and warm lighting to create a cozy yet open atmosphere inside. Avoid bold color schemes or outdated designs that make the space look older or harder to personalize. Add small visual upgrades like pendant lights, open shelving, and metal handles to boost interior value. Ensure exterior design matches the interior so buyers feel a complete aesthetic harmony outside too. A strong visual identity makes your property stand out in listings and justifies your pricing premium. Design consistency across rooms gives a professional finish that makes buyers feel instantly at home. 6. Improve curb appeal and landscaping. The outside look is the first impression, so start with painting walls, cleaning windows, and fixing trim. Use potted plants, hanging gardens, or small raised beds to create charm without taking much space. Keep the exterior free of clutter and add outdoor lighting to make the property safe and inviting. Pressure wash the siding, fences, and walkway to make everything look fresh, clean, and well maintained. Install a small deck seating area or fire pit to give buyers an idea of lifestyle possibilities there. Add a pathway using stone or gravel to guide visitors toward the entrance with better presentation. Repair any damaged roofing, gutters, or railings that could raise concerns during buyer inspections. Good curb appeal increases interest, builds emotional connection, and improves buyer confidence quickly. 7. Market with professional photos and videos. Hire a real estate photographer who can showcase the tiny home with wide angles and proper lighting. Stage the interior with minimal furniture and neutral decor to make the space feel open and stylish. Capture photos at different times of the day to highlight natural light flow and outdoor elements. Create a walk-through video tour that shows how each part of the home connects and functions properly. List on top housing platforms and social media to reach more people and increase buyer visibility. Include a floor plan or dimensions so potential buyers can easily picture the space before visiting. Write a compelling description that focuses on features' lifestyle potential and unique details too. High-quality marketing builds trust, increases traffic, and helps the property sell for a higher price. 8. Time the sale strategically. Spring and summer are generally best seasons to list homes when buyer activity is higher overall. Avoid listing during holidays or end of year when people are busy or distracted with travel plans. List when inventory is low so your home faces less competition and more buyer urgency is created. If demand is slow, delay listing by making small upgrades and keeping the property well maintained. Use open houses to attract both real buyers and agents who may bring offers from serious clients. Use pricing strategies like just below milestone numbers to catch more attention online and offline. Watch how similar homes are priced and adjust yours based on feedback or viewing response levels. Smart timing increases your chances of a faster, profitable sale with less negotiation required. 9. Understand legal and zoning requirements. Always confirm that your tiny home meets local zoning codes, building regulations, and utility access. Check if the lot is classified for residential or mixed use to avoid violations or future penalties. Obtain permits before beginning construction or major renovation to stay compliant with the law. Install approved electrical, plumbing, and waste systems that match your region's safety standards. Some areas restrict how long a person can live in a tiny home, so check occupancy limitations also. Keeping everything legal protects you from lawsuits, fines, or forced removal of your tiny structure. A fully compliant property builds buyer confidence and adds long-term value to your investment. Make sure your home has access to clean water, sewage, and power before advertising it for resale. Ignoring regulations can result in financial loss, buyer mistrust, and property seizure if reported. 10. Reinvest profits and scale up after the sale. Analyze what worked well and what could be improved in your next flipping project. Determine your net profit and calculate your return on investment to measure overall performance. Use part of the profit to reinvest in a better property or upgrade tools and vendor relationships. Build a team of reliable contractors, designers, and agents to streamline your flipping process well. Stay updated with design trends, buyer demands, and legal changes affecting tiny homes in your area. Set goals for how many flips you want to do each year based on your current skills and capital level. Use your past success as a portfolio when attracting partners or private lenders for future deals. Avoid spending all your profit and focus on growing your flipping business with financial discipline. Each successful flip brings you closer to sustainable income growth and long-term property wealth. Flipping tiny homes can be your path to big profits with low costs and fast turnaround. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more real estate and money-making ideas. Have experience or questions about tiny house flipping? Share them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and start building wealth one small home at a time.